it's your first time, if it's your first time, if it's your first time, won't be the last time. Oh no, oh oh oh. Your favorite pastime won't be the last time. If it's your first time, won't be the last time. Oh no, oh oh oh.
First time, well that's the worst line. I ain't them niggas that was waiting in the thirst line. I'm big time and my shoes look spit shine. I ain't really got none, but baby you could get time. Red wine, wet slime down your neckline. Baby, I'm a vampire, you might want to change your bedtime. Baby, you my sapphire, held it down through fed time. And sleepless in Seattle, guess you gon' be like Meg Ryan. And she put up with my shenanigans. My dark side had her choked up like Anakin. Been vanishing like we filming The Happening. Pop back up what's happening, her face was like a mannequin. Nacho.
Yeah, you ain't never did what before? You ain't never let yourself go, let yourself know just what's in store for you if you do give in. Anything you can't do with him, you can try with me, and let's pursue it then. As soon as I maneuver in, I'ma have you up losing win. I'ma have you up calling for your daddy like when you was 10. If you intend to take this on, let loose. Never ask me who I've been with, cause you gon' be mad when you hear the truth. Here's the truth, niggas will tend to vent, they ain't that into it. They want a woman that's innocent, then they say they ain't content with it. But if he ain't gon' hold you down, then I say just let it be. If you insecure but intent is pure, then it never meant that much to me. Let's see.
If it's your first time, if it's your first time, if it's your first time, won't be the last time. Oh no, oh oh oh. Your favorite pastime won't be the last time. If it's your first time, won't be the last time. Oh no, oh oh oh.
Bet it won't be your last though, cause this is my monopoly. Collect 200 and pass go when you bad though. And I notice that when I throw the stack and you throw it back and put on my big chain and you owe me back. These haters can't hold me back, try and get to you. We got shit to do in your living room, but I'm killing you. It's no dental school, but I'm drilling you in your cavity. And I'm feeling you and you feeling me. You all on my chest, nail and see how you work that neck. Blow that thing like a clarinet. Now Lewinsky all on your dress. From the IA president, Angel you heaven sent. Why you being so hesitant? Drop that, be negligent. When the thirst climbs, then it's work time. Make the best time out the worst time. After first time, then it's hearse time. About to kill that for the first time.